They left Earth with a mission, and now they are finally coming home. But what really happens when astronauts return from space? Is it a smooth ride back or one of the most dangerous parts of the mission? Today, we're diving deep into the incredible journey of astronauts returning to Earth, the science, the challenges, and the untold stories. Stay till the end, because some of these facts will blow your mind. But here's a question for you. What do you think is the hardest part of coming back to Earth? Let me know in the comments. 1. The final moments in space. Before astronauts return, they spend their last few hours in space, checking every single detail. A small mistake could mean disaster. They pack scientific samples, power down equipment, and suit up for re-entry. But here's the crazy part. They're traveling at over 17,000 miles per hour before they even start descending. If you had the chance to spend one last hour in space before returning, what would you do? Float around? Take pictures of Earth? Let me know. 2. The dangerous re-entry process. This is where things get serious. To slow down, astronauts must precisely angle their spacecraft. Too steep, and they burn up. Too shallow, and they bounce off the atmosphere. The heat shield reaches over 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit as they hurtle downwards, with plasma surrounding the capsule, cutting off all communication for a terrifying few minutes. Would you ever want to experience re-entry, even in a simulator? Tell me in the comments. 3. The parachute landing. Once they survive the fiery descent, they face another challenge: landing. Most astronauts either splash down in the ocean or land in remote deserts. Giant parachutes deploy to slow them down. But even then, the final impact is like a car crash. Some astronauts describe it as the roughest roller coaster ride of their lives. What do you think? Would you rather land in water or on land? 4. Life after space. Returning home isn't just about landing. The human body changes dramatically in space. After months of zero gravity, astronauts have weak muscles, dizziness, and even struggle to walk. Some even report losing height in space and then growing back on Earth. That's why NASA and SpaceX have a team waiting to help them recover the moment they land. Imagine stepping back on Earth after months in space. What's the first thing you would do? Eat real food? Hug your family? Let me know. 5. What's next for space travel? With private companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and NASA working on future space missions, the way astronauts return to Earth will keep evolving. Imagine if we could land like a plane instead of crashing into the ocean. And with Mars missions on the horizon, soon astronauts might not just be returning from space, but from another planet. Would you ever take a one-way trip to Mars if given the chance? Or would you rather stay on Earth? Drop your thoughts below. Space travel is one of the most exciting frontiers of our time, and returning from space is just as thrilling as getting there. If you love this deep dive, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to investoSphere, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an exciting space or investment-related video. And before you go, let me know in the comments, would you go to space if given the chance?